Right, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to this Pepe update today. So yesterday there was a bit of a drama or manipulation going on. So if you notice what Pepe really did in yesterday's movement, there was something that, I told you 9:59 and you failed to hold the test here. So you can see that you had a pattern that you broke out of and you didn't really retest that pattern. All you did is you kind of came here, took some few stop losses for the people who are bearish, and eventually dropped even to the downside. So I don't really see this technical target coming anymore. So they're not really interested to push Pepe all the way up here. It doesn't look like that anymore. And there's one more thing that we could actually make out of for whatever happened yesterday is that you had a bear flag and this bear flag got retested. Do you see that? This was your flag, and if you extend this lower support that you broke out of, so basically you broke out of it and you went back up and you back tested that thing itself. Do you see that? You had this little bit of support here that got back tested as resistance, and then you went to the downside. So your new stop loss here, if you are probably in a trade, I think is going to be up to 982. If you start to climb up to 982, that's going to be some positivity right there. So yeah, it does look like on the daily things are more interested to push all the way down to 620, and to be honest with you, that's the biggest support you have right now. And if you make it all the way down here, that's another demand box that you have. So this was pretty much a zone where people were selling. Do you see that? This is your selling box right there. You touched it, you went down, you touched it, you went down, you touch it again, you went to the downside, and you came down here for this first support right there. So you made a double bottom here, and if you're going to come down, it makes a lot of sense to come to this technical target, and that's where this could be another amazing entry, because if Pepe comes down there, it came from 1736 all the way down to 600 something. That's going to be a 64% discount, maybe before we don't really push up for the next bull run and actually make something really big in the future. And that's all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.